Good afternoon and welcome to Harveywetdog in 2021. The UK is still in lockdown, so we're going to be looking at model making today. Model making with ships kits available from EUROMODELS here in Gloucestershire. Here we have two kits from the EUROMODELS range. The Granado on the left and the Mayflower on the right. The Granado is supplied by Victory Models and the Mayflower is supplied by Amati. I'm actually going to open the lid on the Victory Models box because that lid is just a little bit more stable and will make a nice presentation. So this is the Granado by Victory Models. The lid comes off very nicely. Put that carefully down there. And this is typical of all the kits. A set of instructions, your detailed parts that I won't pick up there, but also all your accessories, anchors here, various pins for the rigging of the ship. These are all made in brass. So the capstans there, I can see. Oh, that's the anchors, the rigging rope, which is obviously cord. Or again, some very fine detailed parts there. Here is the wooden parts to build your ship. There's here masts and the planking for the outside of the vessel. So if you felt that the Granado and the Mayflower were perhaps a little difficult to start with, to the same quality but slightly smaller, you can get kits like this. This is the Santa Maria and the Pinta from 1492, which you will know from your school geography were the ships that Christopher Columbus sailed to America in. We don't have Nina here, but I'm sure that ship is available as well. These are smaller kits by Amati, and these are also described as quick build kits. And something slightly different again would be this Bireme, which is a Greek warship from 480 BC. And again, that's simpler, but again is high quality, museum quality, and is going to be very enjoyable for you to build. Two other kits that EUROMODELS have made available for me today are the Mercury. This is from 1820 and it's a Russian 20-gun brig. A lovely model for you to make. I've actually seen a photograph of that one on Instagram. And also over here we have a ship of the Barbary Pirates. That's an Amati model. This one is again from Victory Models. And as we saw, contains everything you would want to make the model, make the ship. No doubt, there they are. In that box there are the 20 guns. So I hope that's given you a taste of what's available in wooden kits. A great hobby while we're in lockdown. Obviously you've got to have space to put it when you're finished, so good luck with that, and get modelling. Better not leave the instructions out, otherwise somebody will be struggling. One thing I've noticed with the Victory models is that they don't seem to have the sails. I'll check to see if that's optional or whether it is their preferred design to show the sails furled. Well, I hope that's been useful. I've just got to get these safely back across the road now. I must admit, when I talked to EUROMODELS about borrowing some kits to use with the video camera and with the lights, I imagined Airfix kits, if anybody remembers those. So when they turned up with these boxes, and they weigh a considerable amount, I was impressed and pleasantly surprised.